Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make unicorn sketch full guide. Start by gathering a pencil, eraser, paper, and reference images, then lightly sketch an oval for the head and a guideline for the neck and body, keeping proportions simple. Place the horn at the center top and block in the main flow before refining shapes, adding eyes, nostrils, and playful expressions, then erase guides and ink or shade for contrast. Now refine the unicorn by sharpening important features and adding personality. Soften edges around the muzzle and ears, define eyelashes and highlights, and add subtle nostrils. Build the mane in overlapping locks, vary stroke direction for movement, and way lines for contrast. Use light cross-hatching to hint at shadows under the jaw and neck, and step back often to balance form and expression. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more tutorials. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a handy companion for sketch breaks and inspiration between strokes. I mention it with a smile because a comfy read pairs well with creative time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When adding color, start light and build layers slowly to keep the drawing lively. Use colored pencils, markers, or paints depending on your medium, and blend where hues meet for a smooth gradient. Add subtle glows around the horn and mane to emphasize magic, and use a white gel pen or eraser for crisp highlights. Finish with background accents that support the unicorn without overpowering it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.